Hi everyone, SSC amadi atopa government exams ki experience mayam ahanba maktada GKGS Manipur welcome tawjari. Ngasi su GKGS Manipur na musician amasung Gharana haiba topic asida video ama mayam ki damakta video class ama puduna laksari si mamang da khoi na pujarakraba musicians and its instrument ki video makhani hai tare ka and mamang da su GKGS Manipur na atopa important topics like important amendment acts, 5 years plans, classical dance, folk dance, and quite important articles etc. Haiba topic sing asida video sing putuna laksakre haiba video sing ado yengdriba brothers and sisters sing experiencing na amtang yengbiu ai description da link hapsarange or natroga aige YouTube channel gi playlist sanga kan yengbiu mayam da soidana kana gani na khanjai ka and matung tarak ko su GKGS Manipur na soidana top important topic sing da video kaya ama puduna laksakhi gani maram maduna GKGS Manipur gi channel asebu subscribe to bidriba koi gi viewers sing brothers and sisters sing subscribe to sin biro and like amasung share tawduna support tawbiyo haina ningsing jari ka masi harakanda ngasigi class horasi ngasigi class horakpase ko loina na khoi masigi topic ase SSC gi 2025 of exam upcoming exam da dum important oraga du topic amane aduga mayam Gharana habje kari no habje ai mayam da habetang hairamge ko khoi horakpo ko loina na understand tor sakhina ba Gharana habje khoi hindi gi wahi ghar habje da gi lakon ghar habde khoi house habane house aduga kedoba aduna maram orakanda Gharana habje khoi musical family or style musical style natraga khoina musical tradition natra musical lineage tu bo khoina kedoba Gharana harakanda khangai mayam masi harakanda ngasigi question ahan ba yengase question number 1 who is considered the founder of the Gwalior Gharana founder of Gwalior Gharana haiba haraga kana bu khangna ba no hai ka Gwalior hai Madhya Pradesh kini ka khoi yengase du ta Tansen la Ustad Fayaz Khan la option number B option number C the Ustad Nathan Bir Bucks and Ustad Nathu Khan ka and option number D the Ustad Aladia Khan ka yengase founder of Gwalior Gharana do kana no du ta here the correct option is that is option number C. Ustad Nathan Bir Bucks and Ustad Nathu Khan is considered the founder of the Gwalior Gharana. So you don't understand the Viramogani with this next question. This is next question. Which Mughal emperor's court was associated with early influence on Gwalior Gharana? Yengase do tadi Babur gi court la Aurangzeb ki court la Akbar ki court la or Shahjahan ki court la and option mari pire here the correct option is that is option number C Akbar gini ka yengase du ta the next question the chatringai da khoi Gwalior Gharana gi top famous musician amani gi maming yengsi ka ad ahan badi Pandit Narendra Boda service khoi Gwalior Gharana gi yamna famous oiba dum musician amni ma se Indian classical vocalist ni kadai dagi Maharashtra dagi ni ka and atopa Gwalior Gharana gi top famous musician ani tangi maming chapcharangi khoi Mian Tansen and Bade Muhammad Khan se khoi gi ketoba Gwalior Gharana gi atopa famous oiba musician ani khaki maming ni ka mayam si yengbiro ka mayam understand to brangene ne thajai with this next question the continue to see the next question was question number 3 who was the female classical singer associated with Agra Gharana gi associated oiba female classical singer haven yengase du ta the option number A da Gangubai Hangal ka and option number B the Begum Akhtar and option number C the Malkazan and option number D the Giriza Devi here the correct option is that is option number C Malkazan Malkazan was the female classical singer associated with the Agra Gharana with this next question the continue to next question which Agra Gharana musician was given the title Abtad-e-Mausiqui Abtad-e-Mausiqui have a title se karamba Agra Gharana gi musician the pikiba non hangbani ka so with this ko yengasis Abtad-e-Mausiqui have the son of music habani ka myam ai bracket manung to sabsare the option the yangase option number ahan Ustad Bilayat Hussain Khan option number B the Ustad Fayaz Khan and option number C the Ustad Amir Khan and option number D the Pandit D.B. Pulaskar ka here the correct option is Ustad Fayaz Khan that is option number B shinika Ustad Fayaz Khan was given the title of Abtad-e-Mausiqui son of music. mayam soidan khangbiramagani. With this, next question the continue to see. Next question di, which legendary singer, classical singer is associated with the Mewati Gharana? Mewati Gharana. Yang si ka Bhimsen Joshi ahan option da, ani suba option da Pandit Jasraj, and ahum suba option da Ustad Amir Khan, and mari suba option da Pandit Vishnu Digambar Puluskar. Mayam option si choose tawbo oina akhoi gi Mewati Gharana gi founder se kanano haiba matamda founder se Ustad Gage Nazir Khan se akhoi na kai tawbo Mewati Gharana gi founder oina consider tawi ko here, and masigi kai tawbo question ji correct option je kanano hamatanda Pandit Jasraj ni ko. The correct option is Pandit Jasraj. The Pandit Jasraj is the legendary singer associated with the Mewati Gharana. Yang asi founders akhoi maming pankre Ustad Gage Nazir Khan ka. Yang asi next question, who among the following is the famous Tarana singer from the Mewati Gharana? Famous Tarana singer from the Mewati Gharana. Yang asi du tadi Pandit Kumar Gandharbara han option da, and ani suba option da Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma Muhammad natik ma marak ta hai gi da soi gi yaw ta ma ngapi gani, and ahum suba option da Malka Janla, and mari suba option da Begum Akhtar hanangi. Here the correct option is, that is option number B, Pandit Ratan Mohan Sharma ni ka. And next question the continue to see, who are the founders of the Kirana Gharana? Kirana Gharana gi founders to kana no hanangi ka. Do taragadi yang asi ahan option the Ustad Bade Gulam Ali Khan, and ani suba option the Ustad Fayaz Khan, and Ustad Fayaz Khan, and ani suba option the Ustad Abdul Karim Khan, and Ustad Abdul Wahid Khan, and option number C the Ustad Bilayar Hussain Khan, and Ustad Nathu Khan ke, and D the akhoi Ustad Gage Nazir Khan, and Ustad Aladia Khan, and akhoi option mari fire ko. Here akhoi Ustad the correct option is karam option correct option or any du taragadi da akhoi that is option number B, Ustad Abdul Karim Khan and Ustad Abdul Wahid Khan se akhoi Kirana Gharana gi founder oina consider tawi ka. Question number 7 gi option correct option number B orame. With this next question the continue to say, which famous female classical singer belong to the Kirana Gharana? Kirana Gharana da belong to boy am ming chat pa dum famous female classical singer kanano na hangmane Gangubai Hangal, Malka Jan, Begum Akhtar, Girija Devi ka. The option picture the sure, that is Gangubai Hangal ka. Option number A is the correct option ka. With this next question the continue to say, question number 9. Question number 9 the yang ase, who among the following was not associated with the Kirana Gharana? Kirana Gharana ga mari laina da not associated habani ka. Karam bano hana Prabha Atrera, Hirabai Badotkar, Ustad Bade Gulam Ali Khan la, Sanhita Nandara, and option mari pireko. Here the correct option is, that is akhoi Prabha Atre su Kirana Gharana gini, Hirabai Badotkar su Kirana Gharana da belong to, and Sanhita Nanda su akhoi Kirana Gharana da belong to, and only one option is left, that is option number C, Ustad Bade Gulam Ali Khan was not associated with the Kirana Gharana. Madi karam Gharana da belong to Patiala Gharana da belong to ko Patiala Gharana. Mayam soidan understand of biramogani hana thajai ka. With this next question the continue to next question continue to dringai da khoi PT Bhimsen Joshi antang maming sen ningsing view mayam maru oiba dum Kirana Gharana da belong to ba khoi khayal form of singing gi damakta yamna maming jet ki ba dum ba personality amani ko PT Bhimsen Joshi karam Gharana da belong to Kirana Gharana da belong to, and he was famous for khayal form of singing ko Maase Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Bharat Ratna su Pangraba Dumba personality amani ka. So you don't understand to biramagani and thazai. With this next question the continue to next question number 10. Who is the founder of the Jaipur-Atrauli Gharana? Jaipur-Atrauli Gharana ge koi founder the kanano hangbane Ustad Abdul Karim Khan la, and option number B Ustad Fayaz Khan la, and Pandit Vishnu Digambar Puluskar, and next option the option last Ustad Aladia Khan la, and here the correct option is Ustad Aladia Khan is the founder of the Jaipur-Atrauli Gharana. Jaipur-Atrauli Gharana ge founder se Ustad Aladia Khan orme ko. With this next question, the continue to see. Next question, the question number 11. Who among the following is a famous contemporary musician of the Jaipur-Atrauli Gharana? Jaipur-Atrauli Gharana gi contemporary yam maming chatpa contemporary musician amagi maming ni ka khoi hangi se question sida ahan option de yang se Kausika Chakraborty ani sub option da Ashwini B De Deshpande and ahum sub option the Shruti Sadolikar and Mari sub option the Malkazan and a picture the sure. That is the correct option is option number B, Ashwini B De Deshpande. Aduga akhoi maming amtang panjarang gi akhoi legendary classical singer of the Jaipur-Atrauli Gharana gi legendary classical singer of Atrauli Gharana har kanda kanabu khangna bano and hangak ta de myamna kanabu khangna yen har ne khoina Kishori Amonkar se akhoi Jaipur-Atrauli Gharana gi legendary classical singer ni har kanda khangnai ko maming na Kishori Amonkar. Myam so then understand to wiramagne hena thajai. With this next question number 12 to continue to say. Which of this legendary classical singer belong to the Sahaswan Gharana? Sahaswan Gharana da belong to what legendary classical singer do Karana Kanano and Hangi Kishori Amonkar option number A da and option number B the Bhimsen Joshira and option number C the Gulam Mustafa Khan La and option number D the Girija Devi Ra and Hangi ko. Yang se tu ta de ai habitang question che gi correct option hai dengai da sigi khogi Sahaswan Gharana gi founder gi maming panjang ge founder du gi maming di Ustad Inayat Hussain Khan. Ustad Inayat Hussain Khan is the founder of the Sahaswan Gharana, and here the correct option is that is option number C. Gulam Mustafa Khan was the legendary singer belong to the Sahaswan Gharana. Sahaswan Gharana da belong to ba adomba khoi gi legendary singer amagi maming dudi karino ha matamda kanano ha matamda Gulam Mustafa Khan. Aduga hujek akhoi gi mayamna so ain hujek tas panjakra Kishori Amonkar di karamba Gharana da belong to ki ba Jaipur Atrauli Gharana natra Atrauli Gharana da belong to ki ba adomba personality amane musician amane ko legendary singer amane. With this next question the continue to say next question the question number 13 the whose contemporary classical vocalist is associated with Kanaga Sahaswan Gharana associated oiba domba contemporary classical vocalist sabnika Arjit Chingla Ustad Rasid Khan la Pandit Jasraj la Kausika Chakraborty ra and hangiko. Here the correct option is that is Ustad Rasid Khan niko. Ustad Rasid Khan is the correct option ka. With this ma'am next question the continue to our next question the akhoi yamna maming chatpa which legendary musician from the Maihar Gharana MP Madhya Pradesh sabnika was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Maihar Gharana gi Bharat Ratna fangraba adom legendary musician do kanano hangi ko Ustad Bismillah Khan la Pandit Ravi Shankar ra Pandit Vishnu Digambar Puluskar ra Pandit Kumar Gandharva ra mayam pictures te uda ta khangamani ko adugi khoi correct option se hai dengai da khoi Maihar Gharana gi founder se kanano ina to habetang nainam se Maihar Gharana gi founder di Alauddin Khan koi ko Alauddin Khan Maihar Gharana ki founder. Aduga sigi the correct option of this question number 14 is Pandit Ravi Shankar siniko. Pandit Ravi Shankar gi maki instrument di karine ba sitar habne ko. Mayamna ko musician am instrument gi video yang bidri ba sing ai description da link hapchang gam tang yang bio ko yamna kana kanina khanjai. So with this next question number 15 the continue to say which famous dancer from the Lucknow Gharana was the legendary figure in Kathak ko legendary figure Lucknow Gharana da belong to wadum famous dancer legendary figure in Kathak to kanano an hang bane ko Dutagade Rukmini Devi Arundelera Pandit Birju Maharaj la Sitare Devi ra Yamini Krishnamurti ra hanan picture da su ure ko me koi Kathak Kathak classical dance ki video yengdribishing ai description da link hapcharange classical dance natra classic Kathak ase ko classical dance form amani karamba state ta belong tawba UP da belong tawba Uttar Pradesh da belong tawba natra khoi classical dance makal kya lai nipan lai kanana recognize tawba Sangeet Natak Academy na recognize tawba but akhoi gi Ministry of Culture na recognize tawba M of Culture as Ministry of Culture have ko SNA have the Sangeet Natak Academy ai samjin mani ko Ministry of Culture na recognize to na kya no mapan je karam bhap lagano sao haiba khoi gi dance form to hapje lagan dani ko du sao haiba dance form si de khoi kana na Sangeet Natak Academy na classical dance on recognize to de adon mar kan da khoi classical dance nipan oina naina bani ko me aduga Ministry of Culture gi makha da classical dance mapan ni karam bhap lagan da sao hapje lagan da aduga masigi question si correct option is that is Pandit Birju Maharaj nika. Yeah, Pandit Birju Maharaj is considered is one of the famous dancer from the Lucknow Gharana, whose legendary figure in Kathak was legendary figure in Kathak hai tare ko. Mayam marak ngang ba so ki yaw tar so mayam ngak pi gani ko. Aduga hariba akhoi gi kedoba Lucknow Gharana se kanana founded to hena thajana no har matam da Ishwari Prasad haiba nupasina founded torambane hana akhoi thajana be Ishwari Prasad haibsina ko so mayam sisu understand to biramagani an thajai question number 15 sisu with this akhoi next question da continue to who is the founder of the Indore Gharana ge founder bu kana ni haira kanda akhoi khanna bano ana khanna hange ko question that ahan ba option da Ustad Bade Gulam Ali Khan ko Ustad Aladia Khan option ani shubo option da and option shubo option da Ustad Amir Khan and hamari shubo option da Ustad Fayaz Khan and option mari pi ko here picture da su ure ko me here the correct option is that is option number C Ustad Amir Khan nika Ustad Amir Khan film star da nati ko me picture da uri nika so with this next question da continue to question number 17 ka yang see which of the following musicians were renowned vocalists of the Banaras Gharana ka Banaras Gharana gi akhoi gi renowned vocalists sing do kana no na hangi Rashid Khan Bade Gulam Ali Khan option number option number B the Rajan Mishra and Sajan Mishra and option number Marishu the Bhimsen Joshi and Gangubai Hangal and option number Marishu the Prabha Atre and Pandit Jasras ko akhoi yeng asi adu taragadi here the correct option is Rajan Mishra and Sajan Mishra ko aduga Banaras Gharana se akhoi gi yamna kedoba Thumri haina Thumri hariba akhoi gi style of Hindustani classical music haitara masigi damakta yana famous oi ko Thumri hariba akhoi gi Hindustani classical music sigi damakta akhoi gi Banaras Gharana yamna famous oi ko dogo masigi question ji gi correct option number B Rajan Mishra and Sajan Mishra ne ko and last but not the least yamna maru oi question ko Queen of Thumri harakanda akhoi kana bu khangnaba no who is popularly known as the Queen of Thumri in hangi ko Kishori Amonkar Girija Devi Begum Akhtar Malka Jan line option mari pire ko and picture this mayam no be that is Girija Devi ko Girija Devi is the correct option or is popularly known as the Queen of Thumri ko mayam so then understand to biramagni and thajai masigi loina ngasigi aina pujarakpa musician and mahaki Gharana ko masi akoi ngasigi class loishinjara video class amsong PDF amsong daily quiz and important updates kidamakta Telegram channel join tokshin biro ko ida scan tawragara or I description the link soidana hapcharange ko description the link soidana hapcharange or WhatsApp private channel now gisu I WhatsApp channel amsong WhatsApp group ki link soidana hapcharange ko aduga mayamna aigi video asidagi aigi class asidagi angin aigi channel asidagi kana bu khajik tang oisu phangbi na khan tagadi channel asibu like to kobi gano subscribe to kobi gano and share to busu kobi gano and masi harakanda khagi viewers experiencing bu amukan na thagatsari thank you